3D scanning services have become increasingly popular in Oman, as businesses and individuals recognize the numerous benefits they offer. One prominent company offering these services is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they have established themselves as a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Oman. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it is for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, their team of skilled professionals can provide accurate and detailed 3D scans of any object or surface. Their advanced scanning technology allows them to capture intricate details and measurements with precision, ensuring that the final result is of the highest quality. One of the key advantages of using Scon Design India Private Ltd for 3D scanning services in Oman is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires personalized attention. Therefore, they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver tailored solutions that meet their expectations. Their team of experts is always available to provide guidance and support throughout the entire scanning process, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. Another notable feature of Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services is their quick turnaround time. They prioritize efficiency without compromising on quality. With their advanced scanning technology and streamlined processes, they are able to deliver accurate 3D scans within tight deadlines. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that require fast and reliable results for their projects. Furthermore, Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services offer cost-effective solutions for businesses and individuals in Oman. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Oman. With their expertise in the field, they offer high-quality and accurate scanning solutions for various industries. Whether it is for product design, reverse engineering, or quality inspection, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the technology and skills to meet the specific requirements of their clients. The use of 3D scanning services has revolutionized the way businesses operate in Oman. This advanced technology allows for the precise measurement and capture of physical objects, creating a digital representation that can be used for various purposes. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and efficiency in 3D scanning, which is why they invest in state-of-the-art equipment and employ skilled professionals to ensure the highest quality results. One of the main advantages of using Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services is the ability to capture intricate details of objects with precision.